children, good morning. 12th Commerce Accounts. Question 9th. In question 9th, last adjustment was given that the loan is paid, Radha's loan is paid in two equal installment. So in two equal installment means 75,000 rupees was the loan, and two equal installment means 75,000 half. So 75,000 half will be 37,500. Okay. So loan, Radha's loan account we have drawn. Loan is the liability, Radha's loan account. Here I have written two equal installment. Loan rupees 75,000 half, it is 37,500. That is for one installment. And the second installment is again 37,500. And you have to give 10% interest on loan at the end of the year. Okay, so this is by R's capital account. From where you brought this 75,000 loan amount? From capital account. So it was on the debit side difference, so I have brought on the credit side. Otherwise, children, loan is the liability. Loan is the liability, and so it has to be recorded on the credit side. So here by we have to write by balance brought down if we would have written. But here we will not write balance brought down because it is in from the capital. From capital account we have brought the difference amount of Radha. 5,000 I gave her cash, and baki ka 75,000 I will give her in two equal installment. So children, R's loan 75,000 I have written for you, transfer from capital account. Capital account, it is understood, children. Okay. Then buy interest on loan. So 75,000 at the end of the year, 31,317, 10%, it will be 10 less. That is 7,500. So total of this side you will get 82,500. Now at the end of the year, 31,317 you have to pay. So when you are paying, you will write to bank account. To bank account. How much you have to pay at the end of the year? 37,500, that is first installment amount, plus interest 7,500. So how much total amount Radha will get at the end of the first year? 45,000. Amount of loan plus interest 10%. Okay. So she will get 45,000. So 82,500 minus 45,000, you will get the difference amount of 37,500, which you will carry forward next year on the credit side by balance brought down 37,500. And again on 31/3 end of the year you will give 10% interest. So 10% interest will be 10 less. So here you will get total 41,250. And here on end 31/3/18 to bank you are going to pay now. So how much you will pay? 37,500 plus interest. So you will pay 41,250. 41,250 is balance. Both the side clear. Means you have paid to Radha her amount in two installment with interest. You should not get any carry forward at the end of second year, because second year we are paying off, we are settling her account. So this is Radha's loan account, which we can draw because it is given loan Radha with two installment. Okay. Now children, question 10th working. See, in question 10th working, it is Deep, Jyoti and Geeta. Okay, I have done all working adjustment wise. Drawing accounts you will able to draw. So 10th question here, old ratio they have said according to the capital, or old ratio is as per the capital. So children, capital, if you see what is the capital given here, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh means if you reduce you will get 10 is to 15 is to 10. Still if you reduce, there is common 5 here. So here you will get 5 2s are, 5 3s are and 5 2s are. So what is your old ratio now? 2:3:2. Who is retiring? Jyoti, middle person, not first one, not last one. I always tell you, I want to tell you again, the person who retires, you put in the circle. So Jyoti is going out. Who will be remaining? Deep and Geeta. Now new ratio is also given by 1:1. So your first working is gain ratio. So let us find out gain ratio. Gain ratio means new ratio minus old ratio. Or you can write new share minus old share. Okay. 1/2 minus 2/7, you will get this. The same one here also, 1/2 and 2/7, you will get 3/14, 3/14. So 3/14 is equal. So the new gain ratio is 1:1. So our first working is over. Now first adjustment देखो. Old goodwill, whatever is given in the balance sheet, that we will write off when we will do the old balance sheet. New goodwill is given 70,000. And what is the retiring person share? इधर देखो. Jyoti is retiring. So 3/7. Jyoti is retiring. Here is Jyoti with 3. Okay, so 3/7. So what is Jyoti's share here? 30,000. And this 30,000, who will give her? Deep and Geeta. In what ratio? Gain ratio. What is gain ratio? Equal. Equal मतलब 30,000 का half of 15,000. Journal entry I have written for you, so posting will be easy. Journal entry Deep Geeta to Jyoti. So Deep Geeta to Jyoti's capital account. Okay, so this is your first adjustment. Adjustment number 2. Bad debts is to be reduced by 10%. Bad debts reserve is to be reduced by 10%. So children, I have written debtors are 40,000. 10% BDR of 40,000 is 4,000. 40 का 10%, 4,000. Old BDR is 6,000. Now ऊपर 6,000 है और ना अभी का नया bad debts है 4,000. So how much has been reduced? 2,000. So therefore 2,000 reduced new BDR. So that was revaluation में credit side. जब भी provision कम होएगा, we write on the credit side. Okay. So I have written revaluation account credit side. Balance sheet में 40,000 minus 4,000 new BDR. You will get 36 debtors. Now adjustment number 3, children. You will tick mark. Stock is to be valued at the cost price. Stock is to be shown now at the cost price. But now in the book value it is 25% more than the cost. Means you have written extra. You have written 25% more than its original cost. So here we have to assume its original cost will be 100 and its book value is 125. Then original cost is 100. So book value is 50,000. So what will be the original cost price? So when we multiply, you will come to know that the original cost price was rupees 40,000. And how much is given in the book? 50. Now how much I have to show in my balance sheet? 40,000. It is given. Stock is to be valued at cost price. So our cost price is 40,000, which we will show in the balance sheet. So what has happened? पहले 50,000 था book value and now it has become 40,000. So what it has become? Stock has reduced to 10,000. Asset reduces. So where revaluation debit side. I have written, children, 10,000 stock reduced value, revaluation debit side. Okay, adjustment number 4. This we are getting first time. Trademark is 60,000 for 6 years. So 1 year how much? 1/6. So 1 year is 10,000. That 10,000 you have to write off. And write off means again revaluation debit side. It is to be reduced. So revaluation debit side. Okay. Now in balance sheet what you will show? 50,000. 1 year 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10. So you will show 50,000 on the asset side. Adjustment number 5. PF is to be given as 35,000. But in my balance sheet I have only 32,000 with me. So you have to make the provision for liability. your liability has been increased. And when liability increases, where we write revaluation debit side. अगर reduce होएगा तो credit side. Creditors are not to be paid. We have done many times. So where we wrote on the credit side. This 35,000 I have to pay, but I have only 32,000 in the old balance sheet. So I have to make provision for 3,000 more. So liability has been increased. So we have to write where revaluation debit side. Okay, last adjustment children, very easy. Capital abhi this from question number 10, all are capital carried forward sum, like in admission we did same way. Here the capital carried forward amount is given, and the difference you have to carry to current account. See the last adjustment. Yes, the difference amount you have to transfer to current account. Okay, now children, here the total capital is 3,50,000 old capital, but it was of 3 partners. One partner is going out now, but it has to be maintained in the new ratio. So what is new ratio? 1:1, and 1:1 matlab half half. So 35,000 capital, old capital, including the retiring partner, our old capital was 3,50,000, and we have to give it new ratio 1:1. So 1:1 means half half. So it is balance carried forward, and the difference when you do the total and you get that, you have to transfer to the partner's current account. Okay, so this is full working of question 10. To draw sums, it is very easy. To draw account, it is very easy. Your children, they have not brought any cash. We are not giving any cash. So if you will not draw cash account, we will do. But if you have doubt, for 2 lines we can draw cash account. Okay, now we will draw the account. Yes children, question 10, as we have worked out, BDR 2,000 less to stock, 10,000 less trademark, 10,000 we have written off, I have written write off. Provident fund 3,000 liability increases. Okay, so 35 minus 32, 35 minus 32, we have to give 35, but we have only 32. Okay, so this sum is of loss. Loss is 21,000. You have to give in all 3 partners 2:3:2. Now balance brought down 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 1 lakh. Goodwill, we have seen that D and G are debited. So we will go on the debit side and write J's capital. And when I told you, you write J, you don't have to write the amount in J. You have to write the amount in G, D and G. Now J is credited, so I will go on the credit side and write to debit entry. But I will not write in D and G name. I will write in J's name. I think now you have followed, because we are almost at the end of the chapter now. Then we will look on the liability side. We have creditors, then we have PF, which I have written new 35,000 which we have to pay. Then general reserve we will distribute among 3, and your old goodwill asset side, first old goodwill is given, that I will write down in the 2:3:2. Then revaluation loss, this 6,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Then we will do the total. When you do the your balance carried forward is given, this is given children, and the difference we are going to carry in the current account. So given means 35,000 old capital, 1:1 we have to give equally. So this 2 I have given half. Now children, you will do the total. You will see that this side is more, 2 lakhs, and this side is less, only 1 lakh and 8,000. So the difference 92,000 we will write by current account. We will write by current account. So 92,000, and here also you will get 92,000. And when you total of J, your J is 1,92,000, here more. You have to do the total with pencil. when balance carried forward amount is given, because we don't know which side will be more, which side will be less. So here you got 1,92,000 and J you have to subtract only 6,000 and 9,000. So you will get the difference amount 1,77,000 as loan. This is your difference amount which you have found out. So this you will write loan, J is loan in your balance sheet, and the difference amount current account which you have on the debit side, here you will write on the debit side only, it is asset side. Okay, so here you write asset side. Suppose if you get current year current account difference balance here, then we know where to write, it is on capital liability side. So if you get on the other side, you will write on the asset side. Okay, and this is a balance sheet. Land and building, no change. Trademark 60 minus 10, return of 50. Stock you have to show at the cost price 40,000, which we have already worked out. Debtors also we have to reduce 2,000. पहले 6,000 था, and now it has become 4,000. So 36. Bank, it is 92. No other entries are given for bank. So if you don't draw this account and write direct, 22 will do. And this is the current account of both, which you have, it is given, you have to carry forward to the trading account. Okay, so this was simple sum, children. Not much difference. Now children, in 11th sum also same it is, but the retirement, the new capital is in the P&L ratio, and the difference has to be transferred to bank account. Bank account means cash account. Okay, we'll do the next. Question 11, children, working. Question 11, children, working. It is very simple. Old ratio is not given, so it will be equal 1:1:1. New ratio is given 5:1. So you have to first working will be gain ratio. Okay, gain ratio of moon is new 5/6 minus 1/3. You will get 3/6. And here 1/6 minus 1/6 minus 1/3. You will get minus 1/6. So it is sacrifice. So only moon will gain. 3/6 moon is gaining. Now new goodwill value is 60,000. So son share will be how much? 60. 1/3. So 20,000. Son is retiring. I have circled. M will give 60,000 3/6. M का share gaining है पूरा. So 3/6 30,000 he will give. Star will also get 60 1/3 because he is not sacrificing. He has no gain. He is sacrificing. So to him also, who will give? Moon will give. Moon will give. Star also. How much? 1/3 amount. That is here 10,000. I will circle 30 10. And the journal entries. Moon's capital, Sun capital and Star capital. 30,000, 20, 10. Creditors are paid at 12% discount. Means immediately creditors are to be paid after 1 month, but you are paying after 1 month, that is. You are paying immediately in 1 month. So creditors are paid 12% discount, 60,000, 12%, 1 month. So 600 you will get discount. So you have to pay creditors. Creditors given are, how much is the given creditors? 60,000. So how much now creditors you are going to give? They are paid. So you will get discount of 600. Okay, this children you will tick mark this, because creditors are paid. Now they have not to be paid. In your balance sheet we will not write. Now computers, Moon will take 12,000. Computer, if you see in the balance sheet, not given. In the balance sheet it is not given. Balance sheet not given. Balance sheet not given. Okay, so it is unrecorded asset. It is not recorded. So now the value of asset you have to consider as 12,000. And who is taking? Moon is taking. So Moon capital debit side we will write 12,000. And computers are not recorded, so our asset value has been increased. It is not recorded, but it is unrecorded. तो अपने एसेट्स बढ़ेंगे, और एसेट्स हैव बीन इंक्रीज, सो रिवैल्यूएशन on the credit side A increases. Okay, and the last capital I will work